Let's see how long it takes me to finish 100 pull-ups in the rain as quick as possible, no warm-up.
Go.
No grip because of the rain. We're gonna get it done anyway. 1 minute, 22 reps. Oh man, it's really starting to rain now.
We were gonna get it done. We gonna get it done.
41 reps, 3 minutes in.
Oh man, I gotta shield you guys.
4 minutes 11, we're halfway.
The time to beat is 10 minutes.
Should probably put this phone in the shade too. 7 minutes, we're at 70.
It's supposed to be my rest day today.
25, 3 quarters, 3 quarters. 90 at 10 minutes. 3 more, 3 more. 11, 33.
Siempre hace más. Always do more than you think you're capable of. Listo. I'm done.